Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today I want to try something new and I hope you guys will love it. So one of the questions that I've been getting a lot lately is what type of exercise should you do when taking Garcinia Cambogia? Now you probably already know that I love to endorse Garcinia Cambogia because it is one of the most effective appetite suppressants on the market. However, you also know that I always recommend proper dieting and exercise to achieve your weight loss goal. Today I want to move away from the dieting aspect and focus on a type of exercise that you can do without a gym membership or without any equipments whatsoever. This exercise is known as the plank. And today you are going to learn what happens to your body when you plank every day for at least 30 days straight. This exercise is great for persons who have a busy lifestyle and find it very hard to enroll in a gym membership due to time constraints. It is a very effective bodyweight exercise and it is very popular in the fitness world due to its simplicity. Doing planks every day helps to strengthen your entire core. In fact, most fitness experts agree that planking is one of the most effective exercise to tone your six-pack abs. They are even more effective than doing crunches. Go figure. An added bonus is that doing planks is a great supporting exercise for your back, spinal column, and they also help to prevent injuries. Now, let's see what happens when you start doing planks every day. Here are 5 amazing benefits to be had by simply doing planks every day for the next 30 days. 1. It helps to create definition in your abs. Whenever you do a plank exercise, you are targeting every major core muscles. This include all your abdominal and obliques. And by simply getting better and stronger at your planks day by day, you will also get stronger at other exercises as well. For example, if you work out in the gym, you'll notice major strength increase in a lot of your compound lifts such as deadlift and squats. And yes ladies, you'll also increase gains in your glutes, booty. You'll get a well-supported back and a strong, shapely booty. 2. The second benefit to doing planks regularly is that you'll dramatically reduce the risk of injury to your back and spinal column when you are exercising. When you do the plank correctly, you'll be strengthening the back muscles without putting too much pressure on your spine and hips. It helps to reduce back pain and it also helps to have a great posture when walking and sitting. 3. Planks help to boost your overall metabolism. Because a plank is a compound exercise, it involves several muscles working out at the same time. This means you'll be burning a lot more calories in the same time that it would take to do other abdominal exercises like sit-ups or crunches. Also, just by building up your back muscles, you'll be burning more calories on a daily basis because the more muscles you have, the faster your metabolism will be. 4. You improve your overall balance. Your core is responsible for your stability. When you have a strong core, it becomes a lot easier to maintain your balance, for example when standing on one leg. By doing planks every day, you'll strengthen your core and improve your balance in every kind of sporting activity. 5. You lose weight naturally. It's no secret, doing planks every day will challenge your body to the max. It is a compound exercise that require every muscle to fire at the same time, which requires a lot of energy. Of course, this energy will come from calories from food. So as long as you are not binge eating every day, planks are a great way to help you create that needed deficit to help you shed the excess pounds. Now that you know that the plank is a powerful exercise, here's how to do the plank correctly. Step 1. Get a yoga mat or exercise mat if you have hard floors. You'll be spending a lot of time on your elbows with a good portion of your weight, so you'll want to have a little cushion. Step 2. Get down on all fours with your elbows shoulder width apart. Step 3. Elevate your body off the ground as if you were doing a push-up exercise, but keep your elbows firmly on the ground. Step 4. Keep your body in a straight line so that you are parallel to the floor. Step 5. Hold the position for as long as you can. There you have it, the simple way to do a plank. I encourage you to do this exercise every day over the next 30 days and try to increase your time daily. Maybe you can only do 30 seconds on the first day, but that's okay. As long as you keep improving, you'll achieve amazing results after the 30 days. So what's the longest you've ever planked for? Leave a comment below and share your best time. Don't cheat. Mine is 5 minutes and my back was sore for days after that. I hope you enjoyed this video and I would love to get your feedback. Do you want more of this kind of video? Leave a comment below and let me know. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.